Hello, welcome back to the Spider's Web, and in this video we're doing another unboxing. This time it's another Kickstarter unboxing, and this one is for the Dungeon Book of Battlemats. Okay, here we are, the Dungeon Book of Battlemats. It's a set of 2 Battlemat books for RPGs, not just D&D but any fantasy RPG. That's what we have. 80 map pages, and the book compiled into book form. You can see there. Right, so let's get my knife of opening on the job, and we can slice the wrapping open, and hopefully get these out so we can have a really good look at these. Now, I'm not going through all of the maps and all the pages because that's going to take a long time, but we'll have a look at some if Laddie can keep his nose out of the way, because I'm using opening cellophane. He's thinking there's food on the go, you know what dogs are like. Anyway, let us take that out of action. We have volume 1 there and volume 2. You can see they look really nice, and they both work together. You can put things side by side on these and make bigger maps. I think they make they'll make a 24 by 24 inch map. But if we move that there, we can open up, and here we have just like a square grid. Again, it's laminated, or it's shiny thing, so it's nicely laminated, so you can actually, I think you'll be able to draw on here, draw maps. But here's the first map page. It's nicely textured. It looks like grass-ish, looks like stone, water. It's doing the job as it should do. But now we're into the dungeon itself. There we are. We could probably see these better if I had a wider lens, wider angle on my lens, and I'd zoom out a bit, and then we could put them both side by side. But as it is, I just want to spend more time looking at each book rather than showing the full maps. There we are. That'll be it for that book, I think. Let's have a look at the other book. As I said, I don't really want to go through all the pages because, you know, I want to be able to keep a little something aside. Quite thick leaves on this, very shiny. And that's so you'll be able to use dry wipe markers on them. Also, we have these as part of the Kickstarter add-on scenery RPG battle maps decorations. There we are. They're just little stickers that you can put on. So let's unwrap these and have a look at them all, because I haven't opened these yet. I haven't seen what they are. I've actually downloaded the PDF versions of these, but I haven't as yet looked through them because I wanted to wait and see what the actual things were like. And here we are, that's one of them. The little chest that you can put into your dungeon there, and put them on, you peel them off, and you put it back into place on the sheet. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so what we have is chests, gold, well, treasure chests that have been knocked open and all the contents have spilled out, boulders, a well, a magic portal, a bone pile, spider's webs, not quite sure what that is. Oh, a rack, weapon pile, cave entrance, is it? And another kind of portal. Over here we have some traps, like a fire pit, spinning blades, like a road stinger that the ponies use, bird traps, water trap, glyphs, a roller trap, electrical trap, a dagger, various other things on it. Next sheets we have beds, chairs, couches, coffins, a tabletop with a map on it, an axe, a few other boxes. Next we have things like doorways, broken pillars, walls and corners. And the next one we have more of the same, steps, spiral staircase. Any more? Nope, that's it. So that's what we have in here. Let's have a look at some of these in action, shall we say. Let's take this one out because you'll be able to see it better then. We'll take off this fire pit. I can get my fingers working, that is. That's it, just put it straight across. Oh, I'll put it there so you can see it. Oh, you do, put it down. There we go, we have a fire pit in the middle of this room, for whatever reason. It's not a fire pit really, it's like a crack in the ground that goes down into like leather bed underneath. As you can see, it's it's that kind of thing. It's soft tack, so it doesn't actually stick to it. You can use these on any shiny surface. All you need to do is just peel off what you want it, or where you want it to go, and put it back on the sheet after you're finished. So there we are, that's it. Now let me just zoom out once more. Okay, I've zoomed out fully, and the reason for that is I do want to have a look at how these fit together. So if I move this that way and get volume 1 out, you can see if I can find a map page that will fit to this. That will do. And we can put that down side by side, and we have a dungeon. Looks like a castle room set up. Looks even better because it mixes that with that blue there. There we go. So we have steps leading up into this room here, and then we go across there and we have steps leading up into whatever room over here. As I said, no matter how you set them, the doorways will interact with each other, so they will always be in the same area. So it's halfway on each edge there will be a doorway. So we have a really nice little dungeon set up on the go here. And I'm just waiting as well for a PDF of a one-shot adventure for D&D that they're releasing with this particular Kickstarter campaign, and when that comes we may have a look at getting it done at some point. But there we are, that's the Dungeon Book of Battlemats, and volume 1 and volume 2, along with a shed load of dungeon decoration stickers. That's all there is for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, and bye for now.